Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a video here of we did electrical package for a customer that bought a 16 by 40 lofted barn. They're gonna live in it. Anyway, we started here. We've got an outside light by that door. We've got an electrical outlet there. It's a switch. It's a switch for the light, this outside light. And then we also got an outside light over there by that door. And then we actually have a receptacle up top for a fan, a ceiling fan. So anyway, I'm just gonna kind of go around. We put, I think something like, this one was a little extra than what the package we usually do. She wanted like 17 outlets. We actually do, what we do is we do a package of 12 outlets. She wanted some extras, so it cost her just a little more. But this is how it looks. We put that there for her hot water heater. So she's gonna have a hot water heater there. We also have an outlet there. Come along here. We put our 100 amp breaker box right here. We have a breaker box there. We have a breaker box there. And then come by the door, and we, like I said, we put an outlet for a light out there. We have another outlet there. We have another outlet here. We have another outlet here. Here, and there. And then we've got two outlets up by the windows in the loft. I don't know if you can see them. We've got one up there by that window. And then we also have one over here by that window. So, and then we've got three outlets up on the ceiling. One, like I said, the middle one's a ceiling fan, and these two I put up here for lights. So anyway, just thought I'd give a little video. I can send this out to folks that are interested in these packages, and we can talk price. So thanks guys, appreciate it. Always, this is Loren at SuperShed. I'm 7 miles south of Sedalia on Highway 65 and V Highway, right on the corner. We are the factory direct plant. We built for the whole state of Missouri here. We've got about 45 dealers, and my sales lot is right on the plant, right here at the plant lot. So anyway, 573-552-6455 is my number. I've got a Facebook page you guys should like, Sedalia SuperShed. I put a lot of buildings on there, a lot of used ones sometimes. I just have a lot of deals, and I put the customer buildings as we're building them. It's really nice to follow along. I also have a YouTube channel. I think it's Sedalia SuperShed YouTube channel that you can subscribe to, and I put a lot of videos on there too. So anyway, thanks guys. Have a good day.